Hi everyone, my name is Kathy from Aoda Electronic Technology Company. And our company is majored working on the designing, researching, and producing professional audio equipment. And amplifiers are one of our major products. So for power amplifier, we have several types. We have digital power amplifier, transformer amplifier, and the switching power amplifier. And here are some of our best sellers that I would like to introduce to you.
Now let me introduce our TX series, the 4-channel switching power amplifier to you. This series is using the latest generation of class TD module. It's big power, high efficient and stable switching power supply. In this series, we have two models. The TX460 is 600 watts at 8 ohm per channel. The TX4100 is 1000 watts at 8 ohm per channel. And as you can see, there are 4 channels here, and they're also hissing underneath the black cover. So the two models of TX series are under the weight of 14 kg. This will reduce the transportation cost effectively, and it will become the pursuit of lightweight and low-cost engineering preferred. At the front panel, we can see there are independent channel protection and clip warning indicators. And at the back panel, we can see there are XLR multifunction and link input connectors. Also, there are speaker output connectors. There are also switches for the connection mode selection and the sensitivity selection. So this whole machine is equipped with the intelligent comprehensive electronic circuit protection. And this series has become one of the most cost-effective power amplifiers. Professional audio users are really like it. So here is the introduction for our TX series. Now let me introduce our MA series to you. Our MA series is analog amplifier with transformer. It is 2-channel amplifiers. This amplifier is noise-free. Without input connection, there's no noise even the volume has reached the maximum. This will increase the quality of your work. This unit has a built-in digital current limiter protection. It adopts the input and output comparison circuit. It will reduce the input signal when it's getting into the stature of the clipping, which will reduce the clipping and will protect the expensive speaker system. There's a switch for the user to choose. Our MA series have excellent and natural timbre either in scan frequency testing or engineering instance. It also has very good control for the speakers. It provides the power from 200 watt to 1200 watt per channel at 8 ohm, which can match any speakers. This amplifier has tunnel-shaped automatic cooling system, which protect the amplifier to operate for a long time safely. At the front panel, there are LED indicators. It will make you to check the working stature clearly and make sure the operation and adjustment easier. And at the back panel, there are various input and output connectors. It has a 3-position sensitivity switch for choosing level, stereo, rich mono, and parallel mono. So it can connect the speaker speedy connect the speaker speedy by the professional speaker. So this amplifier has multiple built-in intelligent protection systems. It integrates anti-impact function of the power soft start, DC output protection, long-time overheat protection, and power on delay function. This can speedily protect the circuit when short circuit and overloading happen. And the performance will not be intermittent. Here is a simple introduction for MH series. Now let me introduce our MH series to you. Our MH series is analog power amplifier with transformer. The power of this series covers from 400 to 1400 watt per channel at 8 ohm. And for this model, the MH9400 is 1400 watt per channel at 8 ohm. MH series power amplifier use particular symmetrical floating circuit design. It can reduce the distortion and make better sound, but the cost is higher. With the power auto switch system, power parallel connection in low power increase the output current and decrease the output impedance. The voltage will automatically increase in high power so that the output power will be increased. It has input power supply filter, which makes the capability of anti-jamming stronger. With the shell cover outside the amplifier circuit and adding shell rings in transformer, the noise will be less and sounds will be clear. Independent closed cooling ventilation slot makes the cooling faster. It will still be clean even has been used for a long time. So at the front panel of this amplifier, there are protection signal and clip indicators.
At the back panel, we have several input and output connectors. They are binding post, speaker, and XLR connectors. There's a switch for the mode selection. You can select parallel, stereo, or bridge. There's a switch for sensitivity selection. And also, there's a switch for ground. You can also see there's a circuit breaker at the back panel too. So for this series, it has perfect protect function. For example, the power on amortize, speaker connection delay, amplitude limit function, overcurrent protection, overheat protection, short circuit protection, output DC protection, and so on. Here is a general introduction for the MH series.
Now let me introduce our DR series to you. Our DR series is professional digital power amplifier. Its amplifier part is digital, but at the same time, its power supply part uses high power toroidal transformer. In this way, the amplifier has stronger overload capacity and larger capacity capacitance. Also, it can store more energy. So, the driving current is particularly large. It works better at driving low frequency dynamic of high power and is especially suitable for driving large caliber professional speakers. This series can have a different effect when comparing with other amplifiers in driving large diameter speakers. So it becomes more and more popular now. The model you are looking at is the DR4000. Its power is 1200 watt at 8 ohm per channel. We also have several models in this series. If you would like to know more details, you are welcome to visit our website or contact us by email. Now let me introduce our new product to you. This series is the PFC series. It is a well-designed 1U digital power amplifier with switching power supply. This model is PFC 1600. Each channel is 1600 watt at Aoda. The built-in PFC, which is the power factor correction, reduces the interference from the power supply network. It adapts to a wide voltage range, which is from 99 to 250 volt. This model is with small size, lightweight, big power, low distortion, and high reliability. This is a cost-effective power amplifier. It has 4 channels. One unit can drive high and low frequency at the same time. So with this one unit, it can easily solve multiple needs. So here is a very simple introduction for the PFC series.
So if you are interested in our product, you can visit our official website at www.aodapro.com, or you are very welcome to contact us by email, which is aoda@aodapro.com. Thank you.